Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm bringing you a really special treat. This is the Angelina Mono SF wig by Belle in the color Chocolate Mix, which is 8, 10, 27, 20. It's got a lot of colors going on. I have it off of my head at the moment because I want to show you this texture right out of the box up front. I haven't combed it, haven't done anything to it. I'm just going to work my fingers through it a little bit. But you can see how gorgeous this color is. Beautiful sort of chocolatey brown with all sorts of different chocolate brown and caramel brown shades mixed together. Oh, so pretty. This particular wig has a hand-tied monofilament top and one of those spectacular lace fronts from the Belle line, the really soft ones. It also has, see that? Monofilament top there. Also has a nice band of felt in between the monofilament top and that little bump of permatease at the crown. Now I will say that the permatease is extremely minimal, and I'll show you when I invert the cap again. Very, very minimal permatease on this one. You really got to hunt for it to find it, and it does not make that bump it in the back. All it does is keep the wig from lying flat. So it's not quite as dramatic as what you'll find on some wigs. It's open on the back and sides. You get an extended felt nape, and you also get these Velcro adjusters in the back, which I'm going to let out all the way. Felt on the ear tabs. This hair texture feels amazing. It just feels really beautiful. They have baby fine, ultra light denier hair from the Belle line, so it just moves gorgeously, and it feels very natural. I told you I was going to invert the cap to show you the permatease, so let me do that now. Like I said, you really got to hunt for it. It's extremely minimal, as you can see, very minimal. I mean, it's barely sticking out there, and there's an entire weft of hair covering it up. And as you can see, I'm holding this flat, so it does not really go ba-bump in the back, which you'll notice when I put it on. So let me go ahead and slide this one on for you. Now this cap is snug on me just because I have a 23.5-inch cap circumference. So I'd probably use a little bit of lace tape on this, but it's not uncomfortable. I'm going to go ahead and just try to play with that part a little bit with my hands. I love this color. Belle has gorgeous colors. Their color palette is really beautiful. It's very similar to the Ellen Villa palette. It's maybe just a little bit more conservative, and I think that the blondes from the Belle line are just a little bit more natural looking overall than from the Ellen Villa line. Especially their platinums and their light blondes, like a Danish blonde, Swedish blonde. They're just really great looking. Oh, this is just delicious. Such a beautiful wig. So pretty. Again, haven't combed it. I've just been playing with it with my hands a little bit. See how sleek this is on top? And notice how I mentioned it does not have that big bump in the back. I wasn't fibbing. Still really nice and sleek. The way that the hair is here, I mean, it's way less dense than, say, the Rachel by John Renault or even their Heidi. It's got a little less hair, which is actually kind of nice because I know a lot of people have to thin those wigs out. You won't have to thin out a Belle wig at all. They're made to be ready to wear right out of the box, like instantly. It's just so sleek, and the hair fiber itself just feels really great. Now I will say, because the denier of the fiber is so fine, and I'm going to scoot back a little bit, because the denier of the fiber is so baby fine, you're going to want to help coat the fibers periodically with silicone products similar to Simply Stylin', or just get some Simply Stylin' if you buy this wig from my store, because it will really help keep this wig looking fresh for a really long period of time, because really baby fine hair looks the most natural. I mean, it really does. It looks like human hair even in natural lighting. It doesn't have that fake shine to it. It's just very great. It's just great looking. But it does tend to get kind of snarly looking faster than thicker denier hair. Like Noriko fiber is really thick denier hair. It's made to look kind of like Asian hair. So it's a little bit more durable than something like this, or like a John Renault fiber, which is made to look like European hair, which is a little bit less durable. So, you know, help it out. Coat it with something that's going to help prevent friction and tangling, and make sure that you're treating it with care. Treat it like a really fine undergarment, you know, like really lacy racy lingerie that you don't want to snag or something like that, or a pair of nylons or something. I love the texture of this wig. It's got beautiful, very relaxed wave to it. And again, I'm trying my best not to comb it because I don't necessarily want to comb out that wave. I just sort of want it to look a little bit more relaxed. I love the front of this. The front is a little bit shorter, which I think is really, really flattering. So pretty. But it's still below the chin. I'd say that's probably around 9 inches. So it hits right there, which is a great length. I'm gonna keep this one, guys. I love this one. I'm keeping this demo wig. I just can't get over it. I can't stop playing with it either. It's so pretty, and I love this color, and oh, I'm so glad they made this one. It's like Carlotta SF's long sister. You know, she's got a medium sister in the Larissa, and then she's got this long sister in the luscious Angelina. So again, this is the Angelina Mono SF, and she's awesome in the color chocolate mix, which is all kinds of delicious chocolate colors sort of mishmash together to make this delicious, delectable eye treat. So, I'm Heather. I'm from CysterWigs.com. When I'm not ogling myself in the monitor of my camera, I'm making video reviews for you guys, sometimes doing both at the same time. Multitasking. So check out my wig store if you get a chance. It's just www.cysterwigs.com. We sell all kinds of stuff. Yeah, and I'll keep making more wig reviews for you. It's a lot of fun. Hopefully you have fun watching them. Until next time, bye-bye.